What's the meaning of copyist? Copyist. Copyist.
Copyist. Copyist. A copyist is a person who makes copies of written documents or music scores. Copyists were common before the invention of the printing press, as it was easier and more efficient to have someone manually copy a text than to print it. Copyists often worked in monasteries or scriptoria, and their work was essential in preserving important texts through the centuries. In music, copyists were responsible for hand-copying scores for performance and distribution. Today, technology has made the role of the copyist largely obsolete, but the tradition and importance of their work lives on.